Hi everyone, this is Perry from out in Wyoming. So I'm a cattle rancher out here. I've always been very active on the ranch and done a lot of hard physical labor. And I think that's probably what led to my back issues. I struggled with back pain for 12 years. And finally, after having 5 different opinions and visiting with a friend of mine who had artificial disc surgery, I decided to go to Dr. Rudolf Bertinoli in Bogen, Germany. So I had problems with my S1, L5, and L45. Both were bulging and torn. And so I flew to Germany the end of September, had my operation October 1st, and I haven't had any pain in my back so far at all. I did have some incision pain for a while till that got healed up. I'm about 6.5 months out right now, but I've been back to riding horses and long hauls, like 8 or 10 miles a day. I did that 4 days in a row. And I've trimmed a couple horses, and now I'm out feeding, like flaking hay off. That's fairly physical. So anyway, I just wanted to update you guys and let you know that if you are on the fence with the back surgery, the artificial discs, I would say just do it. Because for me, it was a lifesaver. I mean, I'm back to doing what I love to do. So I hope this helps somebody out there. I know it's a hard decision, but the other thing I wanted to point out is that Dr. Bertinoli and his team, they've been doing this for so long, and they make it so easy for you, like going to a foreign country. I didn't know anything about Germany. I didn't speak the language, and the whole experience was just awesome. The hospital was awesome. I can't say enough about Dr. Bertinoli and his team. So good luck. I hope this helps. Thank you.